Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some bacon and eggs in the air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I have some True Story uncured bacon here. This is the first time I've tried it, and it's good bacon. This 12-ounce package, I think it was about $10. So it only has, the only ingredients in this is pork, water, salt, turbinado sugar, and celery powder. It has no preservatives or anything. So it's a little pricey, but I thought it was good bacon. So let's pull some of these pieces out of here. I guess I'll use about 3 pieces. I'm going to use my cast iron skillet for this, just because that's what I usually use in my toaster oven, my air fryer oven. And you can use the tray if you want. I don't use my tray that much. I just like this cast iron pan better. Once it gets heated up, it cooks pretty evenly. So put about 3 slices in there and we'll get this going. I bought this 10-inch cast iron skillet at Walmart. It fits perfectly in this oven. So we'll get that in there. And this oven has air fry and air roast. And I've tried both. It seems to work better on the air roast setting. I think it cooks a little more evenly, but it works either way. And I'm setting it to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to pull this out and add my eggs. I like my bacon pretty crispy, so that's looking pretty good. Let's see if I can move the bacon to the back here. It's not sticking to the pan. That's a good thing. Okay, that looks good. Now I'll just see if I can crack a couple eggs right in the front and just use the bacon grease. 1. Two. These are pretty big eggs. I think these are jumbo eggs. Alright, we'll get that back into the oven. Now I'll just keep an eye on that until the eggs look cooked. It's been 5 or 6 minutes since I put the eggs in there, so it's about 16 minutes total. I think those are good. I'm going to get them out of there. Looks like one of my egg yolks might have broke a little bit. Oh well, it's real life cooking. That's the way it goes. Season them up with a little kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper, of course. There we go. Looks like everything came out good. I made a piece of toast. That's Thomas's cinnamon raisin swirl bread. That's good if you like raisin toast. See how the eggs look? They came right out of the pan. That yolk is runny. That one, not so much. I think that one kind of popped. So, you know, what do you do? Like I said, stuff happens. Anyway, look at the bacon. Bacon looks like it came out cooked really nicely. So let's try a bite of that bacon. This is really good tasting bacon. It has really good flavor. I definitely buy this bacon again, and it was cooked perfectly. Think Annie will like bacon? I imagine everybody likes bacon. Want some bacon, Annie? Good stuff, huh? That came out really good, and I didn't have to turn the bacon over either. And the eggs were really good too. I thought they might be a little chewy, but they were real good. So I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.